Radical Firearms 7.62x39 AR15 coming right up. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. As always, I appreciate you stopping by, checking out the video. Like, share, subscribe if you don't mind. I'm gonna get right into this thing today. I have a special treat, probably my favorite. Got a Radical Firearms 16-inch 7.62x39 AR15. Chrome moly vanadium burl 16-inch, of course, heavy profile, 5/8x24 threads, 1-in-10 twist rate for that heavy projectile you're getting with the 7.62x39. Have to get a good spin on that thing. M4 feed ramps for good feeding and reliability. I run the Pro Mag Blue Steel Mags in this, and I also have the 7.5-inch Bear Creek Arms pistol, same mags, and no issues whatsoever. Moving on, carbine length gas system, low profile gas block for the thin rail, and it's very, very comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. Ambidextrous safety, which is one of the things that you will see a lot of times from Radical, especially with the price point. It came with the B5 adjustable stock, 6-position stock, 70-75 T6 upper and lower, T6 aluminum. Good quality, good workmanship, good craftsmanship. A lot of mil-spec parts for a good price on Radical Firearms. These guys are pretty good. Did add the rail so I could put the foregrip. I had the Hollow Sun HS403B prior to putting on the 4K, so that's why I had the foregrip set up. Foregrip, red laser flashlight, AIM Sports foregrip, XTS pistol grip with storage. The foregrip has storage also. And like I said earlier, I added the X-Sight 4K Pro day and night vision scope. It records, it streams, so I can stream to my tablet, I can stream to my phone while I'm aiming down sight. A lot of good, clean, fun shooting. Not really sure what Radical says about stealing their firearms. For that reason, I definitely run brass. Got 7.62x39 next to a 5.56. And you can see the clear-cut difference in the size of that projectile. Granted, this 5.56 is coming faster, a lot faster. But this, if you talking about soft points or anything like that, of the sort, hollow points, anything of that sort, I got a lot of different style soft points, 7.62x39. Again, Radical Firearms 16-inch 7.62x39 AR15. Can't mess with this thing. I did sight it in at 100 yards a couple weeks ago. Don't know why I didn't record that entire session, but either way, it did get sighted in at 100 yards. And definitely will have a little more footage for you guys of me firing this thing. The tannerite that I'm hitting in the intro and outro, that's actually this rifle with the Hollow Sun HS403B before I put the 4K on this rifle. So you do get a small chance to see it in action. I'll see if I got any more snippets and I'll go in. Other than that, thanks for stopping by, thanks for checking out the video. As always, be safe, always exercise safety, take care of your surroundings, watch your surroundings, take care of your loved ones. Like, share, subscribe, thanks for stopping by, be easy.